Wordfik is a comprehensive vacuum solution provider integrating research and development, sales, and global trade of industrial vacuum pumps and spare parts. Our core vacuum equipment includes dry rotary vane vacuum pumps, oil-lubricated rotary vane vacuum pumps, two-stage oil-sealed rotary vane vacuum pumps, oil-free scroll vacuum pumps, screw vacuum pumps, claw vacuum pumps, roots vacuum pumps, liquid ring vacuum pumps. At the same time, our professional service team has 18 years of experience in vacuum system design, and its professional design team has provided customized vacuum solutions for more than 2,000 companies. Wordfik has a complete production quality control process, advanced testing equipment, and an excellent quality control team, providing strict quality inspection for every product and ensuring the stability and safety of the product. Wordfik has provided vacuum solutions to more than 80 countries and regions around the world, including the United States, Russia, Thailand, Italy, Germany, Australia, Mexico, South Korea, Turkey, South Africa, Brazil, etc. The industries covered include semiconductors, pharmaceuticals, electronics, food, medical, packaging, printing, woodworking machinery, plastic and rubber, etc. In addition to its products, Wordfik provides exceptional value through 24-hour technical support, customized engineering services, global maintenance network, fast delivery, and other customer-centric service support. Wordfik is committed to leading the development of the vacuum pump industry, using innovative technologies to provide efficient, environmentally friendly, and reliable vacuum solutions to customers around the world. Customer-centric and win-win cooperation is our pursuit. Wordfik welcomes collaboration with enterprises worldwide to drive reciprocal value creation.